500s at 0.3 at Ruckus this year.
Okay. So what is it wired to right now then?
0.7.
0.7? Okay, got it.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
Name's Keith. 4 ZB5 15s on 27500s. Got a 135 amp proto bank, 270 CES Alt. That's about it. 1 to 2 fourth order.
Did you build this?
I did.
Wow.
Yeah, it took
Nice
about
work.
a week for the
Still working on it?
Oh yeah.
Your work in progress?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What is your specs of your enclosure? Do you know?
Yeah, it's like a 1 to 2.
2 to 1 ratio around there? Okay.
Right around there.
Have you metered it or peaked or anything yet? Find out all of that?
It does, yeah, I got a lot of sealing off to do still. It's not like a 59 so
Oh,
far.
wow. Awesome. Okay.
Adding 2 amps. It'll be 4 7500s at 0.3 at Ruckus this year.
Okay.
So,
So what is it wired to right now then?
0.7.
0.7? Okay, got it. Awesome. Appreciate the demo. Thanks.
man.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too.
Yep. Can I go open the back to see the back?
Oh, yeah.
I got it. I was just gonna get it. Yeah. He wants to hear it up inside too, so yeah. Jess, what you doing? Hey girl. I'm recording. Air trick.
She said that she tryna watch a guy.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.